Hey, welcome back to Do Art Now, and today we're going to draw this cute cup of milkshake. So join along with me and let's get started. To start off, we're going to draw the base of the milkshake cup. So we're going to draw the leg of the cup. It's going to be a straight line, just like that, and on either side we're going to draw like a C on one side and on the other side an inverted C. Moving forward, we're going to continue drawing the leg. Going to go all the way up a little bit, and the same on the other side. From the C that we drew, we're going to go up, and that forms the leg of the cup. Next, we're going to draw the base of the cup that holds the milkshake. It's going to be a little curved initially and then go flat and again going up. That is the base of the cup. Next, we're going to draw the sides of the cup, a straight line going up, and on the other side as well, a straight line going up. I think I'll extend the cup a little more taller, making it a longer cup. Next, we're going to draw the top part of the cup, leaving a little gap so that you can draw the froth on the cup. So these gaps basically are where we're going to fill up the froth leaking down into the cup, onto the cup. It's going to be a curved lines, more like a curly hair for the cup. And that's something that I want to create. Next, we're going to draw like a cloudy effect, a shape of clouds to indicate the froth. So it kind of looks like the hair for the cup. That's what I meant. Great. Next, we're going to draw a cherry on top of the froth. Hey, did you know that the modern milkshake was invented in 1922 in Chicago? Great. So we're going to continue drawing the cherry on the milkshake froth. Extend a line out. Great. Next, we're going to draw the straw for the milkshake. I'm going to draw the base first, a small line, and extend outward and take a curve going down all the way. Likewise, draw the bottom part and we'll close it up. Did you know for milkshakes they had to make specialized straw because it was too thick for a normal straw to sip through? Next, we're going to draw the folds of the straw. Few lines where it is curved. We're going to add some more texture to the froth, making it look more cloudy effect. Yeah. I bet you guys are doing a great job. Hey, did you know the first milkshake machine was invented in 1911? Next, we're going to draw the part where the milk and the froth separates. That's a simple line, as you can see, and then we're going to move forward to draw circles for the eye. Around 2 rounds, and within these rounds we're going to draw a smaller round circles. And to add the glitter on the pupil, we're going to add few more circles, just like how I've drawn. And then we're going to fill the outer edge with black. Ah, there you go. It has a sparkle on its eyes. Hey, did you know that milkshakes were originally a healthy drink and often mixed with raw egg? Alright, so now that we finished our eyes, for the milkshake, we're going to draw his smiley face. As usual, a small line and continuing down the bottom part of his mouth with a U. And then we'll draw the top part of his teeth and the bottom part of the teeth with a line. And then we will draw his tongue. It's like a shape of an M. Great, looking good. Next, we're going to hatch it. On the left side, we're going to have line hatches. Small lines all around the left side of the cup as well as the froth. And let's do it also on the legs of the cup. Great, looking good. Let's finish the froth as well, the line hatching for the froth. So these line hatches sort of give a pop to your artwork. Next, we're going to start with the coloring part. So in this case, I've used a more like a pink, so let's say strawberry milkshake. That's what I'm intending to draw. So whenever we start coloring, we color the outer edges of the area where we need to color, and then we'll fill the inside, like how I'm doing. So this ensures that you don't mess up the artwork or color doesn't spill out of the artwork. Likewise for the mouth, area of the mouth, first you draw around the mouth. And again for the eyes, draw around the eyes first and then you start filling out internally. Great, looking good. So what's your favorite milkshake? Mine definitely is strawberry. So let's continue coloring the inner part of the milkshake. Hey, did you know September 12th is the National Chocolate Milkshake Day that they celebrate in the United States? Next, we're going to continue drawing the top part of the glass, again with a lighter color of pink. Or you can continue with the same pink that you used. So I'm just differentiating it light to dark. Again, the same technique. First I color the outer profile of where I need to fill the color, and then I fill internally later on. Good job, guys. Good job. I can imagine you're doing a fabulous job and it's looking yummier. Next, we're going to take a light blue for the legs of the cup. We're going to add a little shadow effect for the base of the cup, just to give it a three-dimensional look. Good. We're going to move forward. Next, with the froth. For the froth, I'm going to give a little light green color so that it stands out. I just didn't want to leave it white color, so I thought of making it green color. You can be innovative, you can do whatever color you like. It's all up to you. You can even create a vanilla or a chocolate milkshake that's brown in color, but I just decided to go with pink as strawberry milkshake. Good. So we're just finishing off the last bit of the coloring of the froth. We're going to move forward. If you feel I'm fast, you can pause the video and do it at your pace and continue the video later. Next, I took a red color and I added for the cherry. I'm just going to give a little shadow effect for the eyes, also light blue, just to add and bring a little more life to the image. We're going to complete drawing filling up the color of the the tongue. And the inner part of the mouth, we're going to color black. Great, looking good. Next, we're going to recolor the straw. Again, I'm using a pink color, so I'm just keeping these three colors: pink, red, and green. Again, you can be creative, you can design the cup in your own design. Next, we're going to create the darker shades, the shadow effects of the cup, going with a little more darker pink to make it stand out, and a little darker blue for the legs of the cup, just like how I'm doing. Great, keep up, keep up. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you like it, subscribe it, and even share with your friends. That'll definitely be helpful to me. Next, we're going to give the shadow effects of the froth. A little darker color on the left side of the froth. Usually I do shadow effects on the left side and highlights on the right side. We'll move forward with the highlights soon. A little darker shades of green. Good. And on the top part also. We're going to give a little shadow effects on the straw too. And next, we're going to give a shadow effect on the cherry. We're going to move forward with the highlights, adding white color on the right side. Okay, so this basically gives the shine to the cup, shine to the froth like I'm doing. There you go, we're almost there. So guys, remember to like, subscribe, and even share, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.